Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Newbie here on YouTube. This one cooking lesson and some is for chill. So that's why it's chill and cook. Hello, please subscribe, like and share. Ingredients for marag, meat marag. This is the meat, any meat, a big size, pepper, black lemon powder, curry powder, oil, salt, herbs, spices. This one is bent or dill, coriander, and this one onion, tomato, make it blender, and potatoes. Okay, let's start. The meat, wait until the water coming out. This without anything. It dry, no more water. If a lot of water, just remove the water, throw the water. No more water. Okay. Now put the oil. Little oil. Look. One. Then put the onion. This. The meat. Then coriander and the dill. This, spread it all over. Then put black pepper, curry powder, black lemon powder. Okay. Then put the blended tomato. Look, like this. Don't mix. Wait until boil and make it the fire medium, like that. Not high. Medium heat. Okay. Look. Okay, now mix. This. Then put hot water. Then wait until 2 to 3 hours because it's low fire. But every 15 or 10 minutes, check and mix. So we will wait until the meat is very soft. And salt to taste. Then wait until potatoes soft. Then it's done after. So it's done. Food is ready. Yes. Yummy.